The Shark RV2310 Matrix Robot Vacuum is an excellent choice for whole home cleaning, featuring powerful suction that effectively captures dirt and debris on both carpets and hard floors. This robot vacuum's self-cleaning brush roll is designed to dig deep into carpets and engage directly with hardwood floors, making it particularly effective at picking up pet hair and preventing hair wrap. With Matrix Clean technology, the Shark RV2310 ensures no spots are missed by using a precision grid to take multiple passes over dirt and debris. Precision home mapping with 360-degree LIDAR vision allows the vacuum to quickly and accurately map your home, enabling it to navigate and clean autonomously while avoiding obstacles. The SharkClean app enhances the cleaning experience by letting you create a precise home map, set cleaning schedules, and select specific areas to clean on demand. Voice control compatibility with Google Assistant and Alexa adds to the convenience, making it easy to initiate cleaning tasks hands-free.